This slide. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Okay, this last topic in second module, I think. What is this one? Organizational setup of the HR department. Organizational setup of HR department. This last topic in second module. Organizational setup of HR department. Otherwise, structure of the HR department. HR department structure in the organization, big organization. So this topic we are going to discuss for another 15-20 minutes. Is it clear? Once again, I have to check my voice and PPT screen. The students, are you seeing on the screen? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Organizational setup. So even in the big organization, there are various departments are running, like sales department, advertising department, quality department, and finance department, design department, packaging department. Number of departments are there. Even personal department is much important to human resource. Utilized and properly utilized in the organization. That's important. So human resource department is going to take more responsibilities, which covers human resource utilization properly in big organization, or not only in big organization, all the organization. At the same time, they are focusing on setup. They are focusing on structure of the human resource department, especially organizational setup of HR department. Yes, please look at the one more slide. Especially the common structure, HR department structure in big organization, especially because we are focusing on a personal department, that means human resource department. Setup of the HR department in small scale unit, they are following this structure. Please locate a small business. First setup, director, that means managing director. Managing director is the most topmost persons in the small scale unit, small scale firm. Production manager. After that, production manager, sales manager, office manager. Office manager means personal assistant, the personal manager, and accounts manager. So horizontally, the department cadres or department designations also divided by the small scale unit. Am I audible, guys? Can I audible very clear? Students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is structure of the human resource department in small scale unit, that means small scale firm. First one, managing director. Managing directors get all the information from all the line manager. Line manager means like production manager, sales manager, office manager, accounts manager, and quality manager, etc., etc. So these setup may be structurized in small scale business or small scale unit. So production manager is answer to the managing director. Sales managers are answering those sales aspect records are submitted to the managing director. So these line managers also have prepared so all the respective department records and submitted to the direct managers. Yes, directly. Who is that person is higher authority person in small scale unit. Maximum this setup only structured in small scale form. Okay, next. A small, please, just once I can explain. In small scale organization, there will not be able to separate personnel department to coordinate the activities relating to employee. Invariably, a low placed employee will be entrusted with the task of attending to these functions. Yes, a small scale organization, they are not able to structurize big personal department or separate personal department because they are small scale organization. So that's why they are organized, they are structuring a small department. That means director, after that all the line managers. Okay. At the same time, invariably, a low placed employee will be entrusted with the task of attending to these functions. Yes. At the same time, a low placed employee will be entrusted with the task of attending to these functions. Yes. At the same time, the harmonious relationship also increased or managed the personal department managers among the low placed employees. But in recent time, such firms are seeking the service of outsider who are specialized in activities relating to HR for a fee. This is one of the most feasible option considering the importance of handling HR-related activity to ensure productivity and profitability. Maximum, the main aim of HR department structure to ensure productivity and profitability. Why all the departments structurized, HR department structurized especially HR department structurized in the organization to improve, to increase the production. So there is increase the production, so automatically profit will be high. Profit will available very high. Yes. At the same time, the problem or issues may be rectified by the structure of human resource department. May edible guys once again. Can I check with you? Guys? Guys? Students?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Are you seeing on the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you. You can proceed, continue. Okay, next, one more structure, human resource department structure in big organization. In big organization, they are following a big structure of human resource department. Is the top level person, chairman, that means managing director. After that, production, that means director, production department directors, finance department director, department of finance, and HR department director, marketing department director, and research and development director. After the director director, not a manager cadre, and before manager cadre, some structures also structured by the big organization or big firm. After chairman or managing MD, managing director, after that, the next responsibility persons are production director, production department director, finance department director, HR department director, marketing department director, research and development department director. So director level, because in big organization there are 1,000 employees, 10,000 employees are working, for example, suppose. So that time managers are not able to manage all the department